On a dark New Year's night on the west coast of Clare, I heard your voice singing. Your eyes danced the song, your hands played the tune. 'Twas a vision before me. We left the music behind as the dance carried on, as we stole our way to the seashore. As you passed, suddenly I knew that you'd have to go. Your world was not mine, your eyes told me so. Yet it was there I felt the crossroads of time, and I wonder why. As we cast our gaze on the tumbling sea, a vision came on.